Herkese merhaba. Bugün Paris gezimin ikinci günündeyiz. Eyfel Kulesi civarına daha rahat ulaşmak için bir scooter kiraladım. Paris'te bisiklet ve scooter sevenler için ayrıcalıklı yollar var. Ulaşımı gerçekten hızlandırıp kolaylaştırıyor. Eyfel Kulesi'ni görmeye Döbi Limanı yolundan geliyorum. Kulesi, Alexander Gustav Eiffel tarafından 1832 yılında inşa edilmiş. Eyfel Kulesi'nin Paris'te kalışı ilk etapta 20 yıl olarak düşünülmüş. İlk başta birçok sanatçı ve mimar bu yapının Paris'e yakışmadığını iddia ederek protesto etseler de günümüze kadar dünya medyasından fazlaca ilgi görmüş ve yıkılmamış. Bugün Eyfel Kulesi, turistlerin vazgeçilmez adresi ve Paris'in en ünlü simgesi. ...2300 metrelik kulenin yapımında 7300 ton çelik ve 18.000 tonu aşkın metal parça kullanılmış ve logo şeklinde inşa edilmiş.
Right, and this actually is the original color of the Eiffel Tower as well.
Oh.
This is the Eiffel Tower original color. This is red color. If you go on Instagram, for example, or your WhatsApp, and you look for an emoticon of the Eiffel Tower, it comes in red, just like this. It's the original color of the Eiffel Tower. That's why even those guys hated it the more. The people that hated the tower, it's red, it's so obvious in the center of the city. They hated it even more. It's kind of brown color. This is assumed to be the general color of the landscape of Paris. Look down there. You see a building with a flag of France over there? You see that building with the flag of France?
Yeah.
And that building is called École Militaire. École Militaire means the military school. And back in the days, there were lots of military activity in that space. It's called the Field of Mars, the Field of War, or the Field of the God of War. Direction, what do you guys see? Actually, I'm not saying anything anymore. You point at something, describe it to me,
Yeah.
and I'll tell you what it's about. Anything that looks interesting to you.
It's the church.
Okay, what are you talking about? Describe it.
This yellow church is the gold one.
Okay, we see this golden dome structure. It's actually a church that is part of a bigger compound. And it's called the Hôpital des Invalides, or the Invalides. The Invalide was built by Louis XIV. Why? Because his veterans of war will come back from battle and they will be wounded or maimed. And he wanted to build a house or hospital to take care of them. And that's what he built. That part is the church where he built for himself to worship. He only went there once, spent lots of millions of euros building that church. But the bigger compound is the Invalide. Today, the Invalide is used more for a military museum, and if you're interested in French military history, that's where you'd go to. It's 12 o'clock in the middle, like our clock, 12 o'clock, and to the left, by 11 o'clock in the distance, you see the two columns of Notre Dame coming up. That is Notre Dame. Notre Dame means Our Lady, Notre Dame de Paris, Our Lady of Paris. Why is it important? It has been a center of the Church of Paris for many years. It took 200 years to build the church, from 1163 to 1345, 200 years. It's been existing for over 860 something years. And the fire of last Monday was terrible and painful to the heart of anybody that loved the church. You can't go in to visit it today, but you can go close to it and see the building from outside. It's made of Gothic style of architecture. It's a very specific style of architecture. And today, many companies are proposing to help to redesign the roof and the church structure that was burnt on the fire.
Eyfel Kulesi'nin birinci katında soluklanıp bir şeyler içmek isterseniz küçük bir kafeterya var. daha vakit ayırıp keyifli bir öğle yemeği yemek içinse çok şık bir restoran mevcut. 58 Tur Eiffel. Buraya rezervasyonsuz giremiyorsunuz. Bazı firmalarda Eyfel Kulesi ve bu restoranda öğle yemeğini birleştiren farklı fiyatlarda biletler de gördüm. Her katta olan hediyelik eşya satan özel dükkanlar var. Buradan sevdiklerinize bir şeyler almak isterseniz daha farklı seçenekler bulabileceğiniz ikinci kattaki mağazayı öneriyorum. Eyfel Kulesi gün batımı ile gece 1'e kadar her saat başı 5 dakika parıldıyor. Eyfel Kulesi özellikle gece çok etkileyici. Herkesin görmesini, zirveye kadar çıkmasını tavsiye ediyorum. Sizi bir sonraki bölümde her köşesi sanat kokan Momar Tepesi'ne götürüyorum. İzlemeyi unutmayın. Hoşça kalın. Bye.